today's video, I'm going to be doing another very exciting unboxing. So we're going to be unboxing the new Magic Keyboard that was recently released. Now, it did come a little later here in South Africa than it did obviously in the US. I think we get about like 3 weeks maybe later-ish. So yeah, I got this actually a few hours ago today, and I'm really excited to be doing this unboxing. If you don't know, the iPad is basically my main system or main device that I use for everything. I don't have a laptop, so the iPad has basically been my laptop for a while, even though I don't really see it as a laptop. I have the 2018 11-inch iPad Pro, and luckily the new Magic Keyboard does support the first generation iPad Pros, which is very exciting and great. The Magic Keyboard case in South Africa costs 6,999 Rand, so it is quite pricey here in South Africa, and in the US it is $300, so I get that this is a very expensive product, but seeing as though this is my main base of operations, I thought it's a good investment to get, instead of buying like a completely new MacBook for the same purpose. I just thought it's better to get this keyboard now, since it's gonna be very functional compared to a laptop. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the keyboard case itself. So here you can see on the design, you have basically an overview of what you get. So you can see the USB-C port that it has, you can see the keyboard as well as the trackpad. Okay, so we're gonna pull this tab here and let's get started with the unboxing basically. So we're just gonna pull this tab, peel this off like so. Okay, it's actually real quick and easy. Okay, so let's just lift this up. This is always like the longest part, just waiting for it to finally come off. Okay, there we go. And here we have the case. I'm just gonna pull this tab here. This thing has a definite heft to it, so it's quite heavy. Okay, I'm really scared to like open it up. I just don't want it to go bad or anything. Okay, I'm gonna pull this tab. I've actually never used any type of keyboard case, nonetheless an Apple keyboard case. It feels like it's about to get dirty real fast. This is the back side, so here you can see the Apple logo. It's very hard to see, but it's definitely there. But okay, let's open it up, see what it looks like. Okay, I can feel the magnet or the hinge. It feels very strong. It's very good quality. Oh, you get a packet of things in here as well. That's cool. So the quick start guide and whatnot. And here we have the keyboard. Keys feel amazing. They really do. And the trackpad, definite click to it. Oh, I love the feeling of the keyboard. It feels really great. And yeah, the hinge is very strong. It does not feel like it's gonna break at all. Kind of want to pop my iPad on here already. So like I said, I have the 2018 11-inch iPad Pro. Here you can see it. I have it in this iPad folio case, so I think it's going to be really easy to transition between the two cases since they're both magnetic. So as you can see, it's also just magnetic. So I think it's going to be really easy to transition between the cases. So one for note-taking and one for just typing. And believe me, I've wanted something for typing for a long time, especially with assignments. So okay, here we have my iPad. Just put it on. Instantly it works. Oh, that's how cool it already works. Okay, so here you can see the iPad with the case. It looks and feels amazing. As you can see, I'm working on the trackpad, gestures, 3 fingers to swipe through apps, 3 fingers to get out. It really does feel amazing. I'm gonna go into Word real quick and we can type away. Why do I always default to just typing out the alphabet? That's like the lamest thing I could possibly type out, but okay, there we go. It feels really, I love it. I can't I just can't stop saying that. Okay, so I can clearly see we have the USB-C port here. I'll show you guys a quick shot. I guess that's actually all I can show you guys right now, but I'm very excited to be testing out this keyboard on my day-to-day life. I will definitely be doing a review for you guys, So be tuned in for that. But I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any other questions you might have or any other video requests that you might have. Definitely subscribe by clicking on the icon on the screen. Click on the playlist to see all of my other tech related videos and click on the video to my previously uploaded video. Love you guys so much. Be weird and be proud of it. Bye.